Hello! In this video I'm going to do a two-step problem where I convert grams to volume. And I'm going to start with 5.0 grams of hydrogen gas, that's H2. So whenever I come across a problem where I have grams and I need to convert it into something other than moles, then I need to first convert it to moles and then to that other item. So in this case I'm starting with 5 grams and I want to convert it to volume. Moles is nowhere in the question, so I have to convert it to moles. You can think of it as, when in doubt, mole it out. So if I have 5 grams of H2, I'm going to first convert it to moles. So I always put what I want on top, moles, and what I'm trying to get rid of, grams, on the bottom. Then I just got to figure out the molar mass of H2. I look at the periodic table. On that periodic table right there, it's about 1 gram per mole. But I have 2 hydrogens, so 1 plus 1 is 2. I got 2 grams for every 1 mole. You could then solve this out and press the equal sign and then do the next conversion factor. However, if you're preparing yourself to take IB chemistry or AP chemistry, it'd be best to do each conversion factor next to each other, because otherwise when you get into those more difficult problems, it's just going to be that much more easier to do conversion factor after conversion factor. So I'm going to go right into my second conversion factor, and basically grams is canceling out, which leaves me with moles, but I want to find volume. So I'm going to put my volume on top, and what I'm trying to get rid of on the bottom, I'm trying to get rid of moles. So put that on the bottom, and it's always easier to deal with 1 mole. And if I am at STP, I can assume 22.4 liters per 1 mole. Moles will cancel out on the top and on the bottom. And now all I have to do is multiply by everything that's on the top and divide by everything that's on the bottom. Alright, so I'm going to take my calculator out, which every good chemistry student should have if they're coming to class prepared. Alright. So I'm going to plug in 5 grams, times it by 1, times it by 22.4. I'm going to divide it by 2, divide it by 1, and that gives me 56 liters of H2 gas. So if I have 5 grams of H2 gas, that is going to be equivalent to 56 liters.